I'll continue answering your questions today also for you to practice these four tattvas.
The first question today is from IG number 301, Annamalai, who's asking Swamiji, whether karmas affect our business growth, wealth, attractions? After this inner awakening, can I come out of karmas, and whether karmas are the truth?
Annamalai, please be seated. Swamiji, whether karmas affect our business growth, wealth, attractions, after this IA, whether I can come out of karmas, whether karmas are truth. First thing, karmas do affect every span of your life. Karma means what? Incomplete actions, thoughts, desires, patterns. You created for you and others created for you is karma. Listen. Incomplete actions, desires, commitments you created for you and you created for others is karma. It affects your business, relationships, life, everything, including the wealth attractions. After this inner awakening, naturally you will be out of all karmas because you learn the science of completion here. Not only you learn, literally I make you complete. We wait and see to it, you become complete. You are given the science of completion continuously. You learn the science of completion. This whole inner awakening is nothing but learning and experiencing completion. You can see the essence of this inner awakening is learning and practicing, experiencing completion. I only request one thing from all of you. Karma is nothing but when you bite more than you can chew, what you suffer is karma. In the life also, many times you bite more than you can chew or swallow. Understand? Karma means completion, completion, completion. If you are struggling with what you are having in your mouth, means biting more than you can chew or swallow, that is karma. If you can complete and finish it, that is liberation from karma, vikarma. When you complete, please listen. When you complete with your spouse, suddenly your business will start flourishing. You may think how this and that is connected. If I complete with my clients and customers, business will flourish. That I can understand. How can my business will flourish if I complete with my spouse? You do not know. One incompletion can affect you in an unexpected way. If you have an incompletion with your morning yoga, it can affect you with the evening vacation. So incompletions can attack you anywhere, any way. Understand? With the completion, you are free, liberated from karmas. So naturally your business, life, relationships, everything expands. Everything becomes prosperous.